Natural dog around, yes, I'm gonna say your name. People's over here, oh yes, I wanna say your name. Now you in the house, you showing love in here today. Everybody saying, oh yes, I wanna say today. Natural around, natural what the dog on who? Natural dog with the ramble, yes, we coming through. Yes, I'm seeing all the people when I say your name. Everybody saying, oh yes, so when we in this game. Robert, can I say, Buddha of the destiny. Namaste, that at the end I say you stay with me. We over here, we vibing out there and we do our thing. The K Renee, the garden order, yes I know you sing. I'm seeing that everyone official chamber, you're in here. Oh yes, there's other people know I do not drink no beer. But still I'm over here, oh yes I say I'm feeling sheer. I'm over here to say your name, so thanks for coming here. Hey. Send the natural dog around, but still I'm over here, and you know the who I am. I'm over here today, I'm vibing up in the chat. Some people's over here, oh yes, you know I got your back. So when you got my back, I say I also got on you. So natural dog around, but oh yes, we keep it true. We vibing and we vibing and we vibe like every day. Some people's over there, some people trying to go and stay. Some other want to pray, some other want to vibe, some other want to run, some other want to ride. So do you want to be the one that wants to keep it real? So natural dog around, my over here, I got my skill. So natural dog around, I say, oh yes, what you do? I'm over here today, and I'm here to shout at you. I'm shouting you to out because you coming by the house. Some people's over here don't know we not the quiet mouse. The mouse is over there, they trying to tip a toe dough. But still I'm over here, I'm kicking you out that door. That door is over here, that do you know I have a pro. That pro is over here, that said I do the ones the most. Saying that, hey. The natural dog around I say, but still I'm over here and I got some words to say. I want to say your name and I want to show you love. So now I'm over here, I'm giving out some virtual hugs. Some people coming by the end, you know I'm singing high. Some people wave their hands up, they up in the sky. But still I'm over here and I'm showing love to you. So everybody likes to keep it up, cause that's what's true. Standing aim. That's in that natural dog around. So now you talking about, oh yes, you know the who I am. They say I am the Jordan and I doing whippy style. The styles are over here to when I bust and freestyle. I put your name on a song, but now you will hear it. Some people's over here, but now you know you running in. So all you gotta do and play that song right back. So now I'm over here and you know I got your back. All right.